Pa, regalo ko sa inyo. Itong regalo ko sa inyo, ito yung bagay na kahit nasaan man ako mapunta, makakontak mo pa rin ako.
Pa, this is my gift. And ma, this gift ko, parang short pa sa salamat sa lahat. Salamat pa. Sa lahat ng effort. Mama, thank you.
Ito te, regalo ko sa'yo. Ito lang yung nakayanan ko sa ngayon. Alam mo yan. Nag-iisa ka lang na kapatid ko babae. Alam mo na mahal kita. Itong gift na to, alagaan mo to kasi ito lang yung bagay na ibibigay ko sa'yo ngayon.
Masasabi ko, hindi po ako sa lugar ng Juan kung hindi po para kaninyo. Thank you ko and thankful ako kung paano po ako ninyo pinadakili. And nagaraan ko po ang habang buhay.
Wow! Thank you, Kuya Ian.
Hi, mahal. Kamusta? Ito, okay naman. Nandyan ka ba?
Wow! A gift is not just a gift, but has a special meaning. Since LDR tayo for a long time and you know how important and time sa atin. So I give you this para kahit saan ka man mapunta o saang part man kayo, naalala mo na time yung way natin to keep our connection. Gaya ng connection na build natin for 7 years.
Huwag magbabago. Mahal kita. Ang gawin sa'yo, ano lang, kulang goal. Malarating mo lahat yan. Ingat ka palagi.
Salamat, Ikin. Salamat sa surprise mo. I wish for the best kanina. Thank you.
To Mark, thank you for everything and mahal kita.
Salamat na aliigin na mo na daw arikin na padago sira ng liglubis sa pagkapamilya. Okay, salamat.
Thank you, pa. Love you.
And for you, Cristel and Marcangelo, the same thing also for both of you. You said yes for this new chapter of your life. You said yes to be married through the sacrament of the church. And perhaps, just like the Blessed Virgin Mary, you are both unsure of the things that will come. Pero, inayat po kaninyo pagtubod, pagtitiwala sa mahal na Diyos.
Looks like we made it. Look how far I've come, my baby.
Box na ano? Yeah!
We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But
Ito na, oras na magiging mag-asawa na tayo. Salamat, mahal, sa lahat-lahat. Alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal. At alam mo rin na ikaw ang isa sa pinakamahalagang nangyayari sa buhay ko. Wait lang, ang buhok ko!
still what I run to, the one that I belong to. Still what I want for life.
Lastly, this gift symbolizes 3 T's I learned from my mentor in Dubai, which is talent and treasure that we will share together in our marriage life. Alam ko na ayaw mo nang buy na word, so see you na lang later. Remember that I love you always and forever. Thank you. To the person I love the most. I'm so blessed, grateful to have you, mahal. Thank you sa lahat for being with me.
I knew we made it today. It started in a not so serious relationship. Move on. Get to know stage. But as time goes by, I get to know Mark, the real Mark. Nakita ko yung gems in your heart. Mabait, mapagmahal, malaga, patience, and so special.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to.
For God, nothing is impossible. Piling sa ibang mga tao sa matatataw, magdudarwa, mag-doubt, pero sa mahal na Diyos, kadaing puso.
Still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one.
I promise to be patient and to be kind, to be the rest version of myself for you. Today and always, my palagi. I choose you as my wife. I love you always. Always.
Being in a long-distance relationship is not easy. You know that. But you made it possible for us in God's grace. We have had many struggles through our journey, but you chose to stay. From personal na problema, career, family, and life issues, lagi kang andyan to support and comfort me.
Mark Angelo, do you take Cristel here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
do. Yes, I do.
You even waited for years to make it happen. Thank you for your endless love and patience, not only to me, but to my whole family. You know also how much I love my family. Kaya thank you for loving them more than I do.
Cristel, do you take Mark Angelo here present for your lawful husband according to the right of the Holy Mother of the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.